One of the most common and, in my opinion, the easiest gigs you're going to see on the Mobee app is going to be Show Me the Honey. It used to pay $3.50. Now they dropped it down to $3. But I'm going to do one here at the Winn-Dixie. I'm going to record with my meta glasses, and you can decide if this is a side hustle you want to do. So now I'm walking into the store. So I knew exactly where the honey products were. I've done this gig probably 20 times at this same store. So if you are looking at your supermarket where you are, look for like the cereal or the maple syrup will be on the sign. And then the honey is usually with the maple syrup. So that's how you're going to find it. So it's going to be this shelf here. Now, this is a supermarket, so there were a lot of products. The first question that it's going to ask you to do is take a horizontal picture. So I did that. Now you have to count how many individual honey products. So a different size means an individual honey product. So they want unique honey products. Make sure you count these right. I made the mistake of not counting it correctly. And then it was really hard to go back in the app and I had to start all over and it was not fun. So there was 16 honey products. I counted twice. So now it's just a 3-step process. First thing you have to do, take a picture of the product on the shelf, scan the barcode of the product, and then take a picture of the back of the product. So you can see this is not sped up. I've just done so many of these. I'm kind of like a machine doing it. So if you do this quickly, you could take a picture of the product, scan it, and then take a picture of the back kind of all in one motion like I'm doing to really get through these ones quickly. Keep in mind, if you do this same gig at Sam's Club or Family Dollar, they are only going to have 2 or 3 products, so I would have been done by now, but the supermarket is going to take longer, but it's still worth it in my opinion. You don't really draw that much attention to yourself because you're taking close-up pictures, so it just looks like you're scanning stuff for coupons. If anyone bothers you, a manager or anyone, just say you're trying to find coupons, and that's why you're scanning the products, but you're going to move along. I like to go from top to bottom, left to right, take a picture of it on the shelf with the shelf tag, scan it, and then take a picture of the back, moving right along. Now I'm on this second shelf here. It looked like there was a lot more products when they were, but they were just had a lot of facings of the same products. So I'm just going through, scanning the products, and then taking a picture of the back. Some of the products were kind of difficult to tell what you should take a picture for the back, but just do your best. Either take a picture of like the nutritional facts or like the little story on the back. It was a little bit more difficult with some of the rounder honey products. And then I include like the hot honey. And then I also include the honeycomb, but it's really up to you. They're not very strict when they judge these. You'll probably get approved within like 2 or 3 days. Just make sure that you're scanning the right barcode. There may be like 2 barcodes or your phone might pick up like a different barcode. I've gotten these denied for that. I skipped ahead to the last couple of questions. It is pretty repetitive. Once you get it down, it's super easy. So like this one was round, so it was kind of hard to tell what was the back. So I just took a picture of the nutritional facts. And then when you're done, it's going to ask you if there's another honey display. There may be honey displayed at the front or in a different spot of the store. I knew that there was no other displays in this specific store. And as you're walking out, always check all of your apps, check Field Agent, check Mobee. See if there's any gigs at the same store so you don't have to walk to your car and walk back. Or what I like to do at Winn-Dixie is I'll turn on DoorDash once I'm done with these because they have a lot of shop and delivers at this Winn-Dixie. And then that's it. I'm off to my next gig, or I'm going to see if I get a DoorDash order.